What up YouTube, it's Mama Lono BS back again with another video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing these two Kicker Out 7s 15s, but I'm only going to unbox one and show you guys because this is going to be the same one as the other one. So these just pop up like that. Some stickers, this stop manual thing, and the manual. Look at it, it's like bigger than my hand. I'm gonna put the camera down and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks without the paper. Alright, so that's how it looks without the wrap, the blue stitching. You guys can see it's bigger than my hand. These are alright. Now that I put that away, I bought two things. These are 0 gauge battery terminals. I bought total 20 of these because I run 0 gauge on the truck now. You know it's better safe than to be sorry. They come with heat shrink already. See, so there's 10 in each, so it's 20. And then I bought these are called wire ferrules. This is what was gonna make that setup look even more better. Give me 1 second. There you go. Those are the measurements. So look, so the 0 gauge wire goes through here, and then you're gonna, so you put the wire in through here, and then you put heat shrink over it, and then when you put in the amp, it's gonna crimp itself. Look, I'm bending it, and it's not cheap or nothing. Look, see. As always, I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. Put this back. Then I bought this T distribution block. This is 0 gauge inputs, like all the inches is 0 gauge all around. See? I got this one for the positive and another one for the negative. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the truck and I'll show you guys how it looks when it's done. Alright YouTube, I'm back. So basically what I've done so far is I already put the subs in its box, already screwed it down. I already wired them to 1 ohm. So right now what I'm doing is I already got my 0 gauge wire. Shit, that shit was gonna fall. Anyways, this thing I already told you guys, it's called a ferrule. You strip your wire, put it in there, and I got heat shrink put in here too. It's not gonna come off. So that goes to the side of the amp. So right now what I'm doing is I'm gonna tap into this right here. Gonna tap into that, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna show you guys the final outcome. So literally all I have to do right now is just connect those two, finish putting more of this to the other wire, and then the last thing I gotta do is just connect the speaker wires to the box, and that's it. So when I'm done with that, I'll get back to you guys. Alright YouTube, so this is how it looks. I ran my wires are right here, and the RCA cable, it's right here. So I ran it back to right there, connected the power. The only thing I gotta connect now is just the remote, but I gotta fish it out. But look at that, and it's cool because it fits like in this slot, so it won't go side to side at all. I just gotta bolt the amp down, and that's it. Alright. When I finish hooking this up, I'm gonna give you guys a demo. All right, peace out.